Hi everyone, welcome to Computing for Data Analysis. I'm Roger Peng and I'll be your instructor for this course. In this segment I just want to introduce myself and talk a little bit about how the course is going to run and what we'll be covering in the next 4 weeks. So first, a little bit about me. I'm Associate Professor of Biostatistics at the Johns Hopkins Bloomberg School of Public Health, and I also co-edit a blog called Simply Statistics. I'm originally from Irvington, New York, which is a small town on the Hudson River just outside New York City. I got my PhD in statistics from UCLA, where my dissertation focused on developing statistical models to predict the occurrence of wildfires in Los Angeles County. After graduate school, I came to the biostatistics department at Johns Hopkins. Here, my research is focused on estimating the health impacts of ambient air pollution. The work I'm doing here involves assembling large databases of health information, air pollution, and weather data, and using statistical models to estimate the associations between air pollution levels and health outcomes on a national scale. This work requires substantial computing resources, and the ability to manipulate large databases and use efficient computing approaches is key to getting things done. Another area that I'm interested in is called reproducible research. This is the idea that published statistical analyses should make available the data and the computer code used to produce the analysis. Although this sounds like an obvious thing to do, it turns out it's harder than it looks, and we need methods and tools to be developed to make it easier for scientists to make their work reproducible. So that's a little bit about me. Now I want to talk about this course. This course is about the statistical programming language called R. There will be about 2 hours of lecture material per week, with each lecture being composed of roughly 15-minute segments. Topics that we will cover include how to install R, how to get help, R language fundamentals like control structures and functions, matrix computation, simulation, plotting data, and some basic statistical modeling. I'll also talk a little bit about creating R packages and optimizing your code. Throughout the course, I'm also going to sprinkle in some more advanced topics for those who are curious. These will be totally optional and will not be required for completing the course. The classwork will consist of 4 short quizzes, one at the end of each week, and 2 programming assignments. The programming assignments will be difficult and will require you to integrate various topics that we cover in class. But in the end, the best way to learn how to program in a language is to do it. So I encourage you to take the time to get your hands dirty with the programming assignments. It'll be time well spent. Finally, as much as I would like to interact with each and every one of you, when I last checked there were over 16,000 of you enrolled. So please make use of the discussion boards for asking questions so that we can make the most efficient use of everyone's time. In the short time period of this class, it's pretty much impossible to cover all aspects of the R language. However, I hope that at the end you'll have a solid grasp of the fundamentals and will be able to branch out and learn the various aspects of R that are most useful to you. Thanks for joining the class. I think it's going to be fun and I look forward to working with you.